Hey guys, welcome back. So in the month of February of 2020, I made a video here on the channel that ended up going viral. Now in the first 7 days, that video got about 1 million views. But something odd happened. YouTube almost did not pay me for that video, and up till this point, I'm almost making no money off that video. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you why YouTube didn't pay me and the mistakes I have made that you can avoid when you start making your own YouTube videos, or as you're making your own YouTube videos if you're a content creator already. Alright, my name is Kingsley. I'm a certified IT technician. On this channel we talk about tech, reviews, gears, tech in general and everything. So if you like good tech content, I would just urge you to hit the subscribe button down there. Right, so let's get to the video. So before we go ahead, let me give you a brief history of how that video came about. Now, I had just come back from travel. By then I had not created videos almost through the month of December and January. So I came back from travel, I went for my sister's wedding, and then I lost my brother and everything. So when I came back, I had wanted to make a video on the MQ-9 Reaper drone earlier before that time. Now I didn't make the video, so when this event happened about the United States assassinating or annihilating this certain Iranian general, which I will not want to mention his name for certain reasons, which I will tell you later, I decided to say, okay, let me just make the video and marry these two events, the drone and the news as of that time that was making the rounds together, because it was a perfect timing. But on the other way around, I still didn't want to make the video because the YouTube algorithm doesn't really favor small creators like us when it comes to big events like that, because everybody's talking about it, everything, videos are popping out all over the place. So smaller creators, if we make videos on those kind of topics, most times we just end up being at the bottom of the whole thing. So I didn't want to make the video, but I ended up writing the script. After I wrote the script, I read it to my brother and he said it was cool. And then I was in the office, this guy came in, was waiting for somebody, sat by his sofa, and as I was reading the script to my brother, he heard it and he was like, wow, nobody had explained these events to him like this, you know, that he really liked it. That where am I reading from? Is it CNN or Al Jazeera or Fox News? And I said no. It's a script that I wrote. I did some research, so I found out all this information and I put them together and everything. I want to make a video on YouTube. And he said, wow, that video is really going to be nice. I said, okay. So when I came back to the house, I really felt reluctant to make the video still, or to record the voiceover. You know, every creator has actually had this experience. You've come to that point where you make a video, you don't want to post it, but that video ended up or will end up being your most watched video and everything. I was listening to Daniel Sheffer the other day. He talked about a video that he made about the LAOWA, there's this lens, whatever, you know, and he didn't want to post the video, and then he ended up posting the video, and that video is till today is the most watched video on his channel. So I went through that similar experience, and so I made the video. And even after I recorded the voiceover, made everything, I still didn't want to post it, but I still posted it anyway. So something odd happened in the first 7 hours, 12 hours, no response. It was just got about 86 views, and then it was all of a sudden it was like a bomb was dropped inside the video and it just exploded. In like an hour, the video got 10,000. Excuse me. In like 1 hour, the video got 10,000 views, and in the first 7 days, it got 1 million views and everything. So most of my YouTube friends were like, hey man, you've actually made a kill. But little did they know that I didn't make any money out of it. Some actually said that one of the reasons why you didn't make money out of it is because the video was being watched by countries with very low CPM. You know, that's why you are not making any money. That's why you didn't make any money out of the video. That is not true. Most of the views from that video came from countries like the United States and some parts of Europe, UK and Canada. And these are countries with very high CPM. You know, up till now, I think the playback CPM on that video should be about $8 or so. So I was supposed to make at least $3,000 to $4,000 as of where the video stands right now, which is 1.8 million views, but that is not it. So quickly, let me pull my YouTube analytics here and show you the status of that video right now. So here's a general overview of the video. As of this point, the video has 1.8 million views, and it has 120,000 minute watch time, and then I've gained 10,000 subscribers from that video. Most of you actually joined this channel because of that video, and then so far that video has generated $436.64 which is a lot, but actually not a lot, you know. And then if we look at the audience where the views have been coming from, the views have been coming from 18% of those views came from the United States, 17% came from the Philippines, and then other countries, Kenya, Nigeria, India, and all these other countries, you know. So, and if you also, I think if I look at the playback CPM here too, it's about $8.70, which is quite high. But the point is, even after all of these metrics and big stuff, video has just generated $436. And $436 might sound like big money to some of us that are small creators, but it's actually nothing compared to $3,000 or $4,000 that you could have had, you know. So here's the reason why this video didn't make money. YouTube are very strict with content that you upload on the platform, you know. They are very strict with what kind of content. So before you make a video, most times on the platform, you might have to actually go to the YouTube advertiser-friendly content guidelines. There are a lot of events that are outlined there that you cannot make money out of, you know. A lot of events, you know, like they talk about violence here, they talk about adult content, they talk about harmful or dangerous acts, and then they talk about hateful content, they talk about this and that and that and that. Now, it is important before you make a video, you actually go through this advertiser-friendly guidelines and look at them if you will actually want to monetize that video, you know. Because when I posted this video, I got this like yellow icon on the video. As of that time, I didn't really know what it meant, and I didn't bother to go and do a research to find out what the yellow icon actually stood for. It actually was telling me that the video had limited or no ads. It meant that most advertisers will not want to place their adverts or their ads on such a video because of the topic surrounding the video. Then secondly, the kind of characters involved in the video too will also determine how much you are getting paid, or if you will even get paid. Now, this certain Iranian general who was assassinated, I can't mention his name. If I mention his name, this video right now will actually get demonetized. And even if I post this video now later on, and I find out that because of this, me even saying the word Iranian general, the video gets demonetized, I will actually have to take down the video and redo it again and post it and censor these parts, and put the beep around those parts so that YouTube does not demonetize the video and everything. So if we talk about events like natural disaster, you know, maybe there's an earthquake that happened somewhere and you decide to cover those topics, you are not going to make money out of those videos. They will not be monetized. Maybe there's like a plane crash, because there was also a plane crash around that time, which I also covered. That video also was not monetized. All the videos that I have done that have covered the 1/9 situation, all those videos have also not been monetized. They've all been demonetized, you know. Videos that have to do with gun violence and all that, all those videos will be demonetized, because YouTube takes all those events like things that happen naturally, so you cannot make money, or you cannot decide to cash out of another man's misery. So YouTube actually does not like those kind of contents. So you need to actually check the kind of content you're making. So I've made over 125 videos here on the channel so far, and most of them have ended up being demonetized. I don't care, because number one, I don't rely on the YouTube ad revenue to survive. Then secondly, I am very passionate about the videos I'm making, about the information I'm delivering to you guys first. So I don't really care much about if the video is being demonetized or it has limited or no ads. All I want is for you guys to get the information. So you have to be sure of what you're doing, or you have to really understand the content guidelines of YouTube before you make these videos. Even if the video gets 6 million views and you are entitled to $10,000 or $7,000, at the end of the day, you might get as little as $1,000. You know, that is nothing compared to what you would have gotten. So for those of you who are creators, or who will choose to be creators later, or who are thinking of starting a YouTube channel because you want to make money, most videos will not be monetized. You get? So think about it before you make videos. Actually think of the reason why you want to make those videos, who the target audience are. Is the money more important to you than the information you are putting out to the people you are putting it out to? That should motivate what you want to do. All right?